Samantha Kerr here, founder of Kora Organics, and this is our Kora Organics Cream Cleanser. This is the first step of my 3-step skin ritual, the Cleanse, Mist and Moisturize, which I do every morning and every evening. This is actually my go-to cleanser after a long day of a photo shoot or an event because it removes heavy makeup and it leaves my skin feeling fresh and clean. The main purpose of this cleanser is to gently cleanse and restore moisture to your skin. Our key ingredients for this cleanser are aloe vera, avocado, macadamia nut, and rosehip oil. So they're all natural organic ingredients that leave your skin nourished and clean. A couple of squirts of the cleanser, a little water, gently massage into your face, neck, and decline, and then rinse and pat dry.